Welcome friends to the episode number 8 of this free SEO course. In today's episode, I'm going to tackle one of the most important factors in SEO, which is broken links. As I said before, Google algorithm use some factors like bounce rate, time session duration, quality backlinks, the page structure, the domain name length, etc. to rank a website on their first page. So whenever you optimize a factor, you have the chance to rank on the first page of Google, and the best one is to rank on the first position. So the episode 8 is going to be about broken links. I'm going to show you what's broken links and how to find and fix broken links. It's easy, but it have a big advantage for you if you want to rank on Google and other search engine. So in this article, I made a sample of a broken link. Broken link is a link that when you click on it, you're gonna fall into a 404 page or a non-found page. It could be an internal link within your site or an external link of a site that no longer exists or a page that no longer exists. So in this example, I'm gonna click on this one and I fall in an unfound page. This is a broken link. Here it's easy because I made a sample page, but if you have hundreds or thousands of broken links within your website and you're not aware of that, there is a free tool that you can use online to find broken links with the anchor text. The anchor text is the text here. It's the text that people gonna see when they click on the link. For example, here, free SEO course, broken link here. This is the anchor text. This free broken links checker gonna give you the anchor text and the page where this broken link exists. I'm gonna show it to you now. So here is the site to find broken links. It's brokenlinkcheck.com. Here you're gonna enter the domain name of your website. I'm gonna use my website's group as an example. You click on find broken links. You enter the security code and you choose this one to give you the full details about broken links. And you're gonna click on find broken links now. So after about 15 minutes, because I have 650 pages here, the process is finished. And here is the list of all broken links. I can check this one, which I made a test for, and search for it. So here it is. Here is the link where the link is broken, and here is the anchor text. Here you can click on URL and it's gonna give you the page or the article where the link is broken. So what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to go to the link or to the page where the link is broken, and you're gonna modify it. You're gonna modify it. You're gonna either remove the link completely or update it to another working link. Those are great things because as you see here, those are all broken links. This is bad for user experience because when people are gonna click on a link, they're gonna go to an empty page or a broken page. This is a bad signal to users. They may never go back to your website again. And this is also a bad signal to Google. So I'm gonna go here and remove this because this is what just test for the video. So yeah, this tutorial was quick, guys. Try to use this tool. I'm gonna give you the link in the video description. It's free, it's completely free, and it's easy to do. So in the next episode, I'm gonna talk about backlinks, how to get free high quality backlinks, and another way to use backlinks through affiliate marketing from Shopify. So stay tuned, guys.